Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're unboxing some Deskmats from Floppy Processor. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this product page. While we're looking at this product page, be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future content. I ordered 3 Deskmats from Floppy Processor. The ones I ordered are this Floppy Metallic Tiger keyboard Deskmat, which is a smaller, it's not a full-size Deskmat. It's approximately 50 by 25 to 32 centimeters. It's 3 millimeters thick. It's perfect for fitting your TKL on or a board. It's basically a keyboard mat, if you will. It's perfect size for your board, not much else. I also picked up 2 of these Floppy original Deskmats. I believe I picked up the Carbon and the Toxic colorway, if I remember correctly. There are 5 different colorways to choose from here. As you'll notice, all the prices are in Thai baht, as Floppy Processor is based out of Thailand. I did place my order on April 9th and it arrived on April 27th. So you're looking at about a 16-day processing time, so about 2 weeks for you to get your Deskmats. Don't order these expecting them to be there in 2 or 3 days as though you were ordering from a vendor in your local region. That being said, I don't think there's too much else to get into except for let's get into this. Oh, wait, the price. So my total, including shipping for these 3 Deskmats, was 4,250 Thai baht, which equates to currently on May the 2nd, 2022, the exchange rate, that equals to $123.31 in US dollars. So let's go ahead and pop right into these. These Deskmats are really cool. I've been looking forward to these. Theremin Goat actually turned me on to these Deskmats. We were having a voice call planning for a co-stream that we all did together, and he was like, "Oh, I see you collect Deskmats. Have you gotten the Floppy Processor mats?" I was like, "No, I haven't." So before our call was over, I had placed this mat. Looks like that is it in the bag. So these boxes did get a little banged up in shipping, which is okay. I can't tell if that's actually ink written on there or not. That kind of looks like ink there where it's fading, but it's hard to say. No, I guess they're all like that. So we've got these Floppy Proc Deskmats boxes. So it looks like all the Deskmats come in what is essentially the same box. Due to the way that they're shipped, they are shipped basically wrapped in plastic, so you know it's kind of expected for the boxes to get a little beat up. Let's see, we've got something else in here. Oh, we got a little bag of stickers. Set this box over to the side. So this is the metallic, what do they call it? Metallic cat? Metallic tiger? Metallic tiger. This one here is one of, I believe that's the Toxic colorway. Is there more stickers? There is more stickers. Let's see what we've got here. I believe charcoal is the other one I ordered, if memory serves me correctly. Come on, box. Can't get my finger in there. There we go. Alright, so, and the last, third and final, yeah, I believe that is the charcoal colorway. And more stickers. So let's take a look at the original Deskmats. I believe that's what these are called first, and then we'll look at the stickers, and then we'll pull out the Metallic Tiger keyboard mats. So we've got your standard Deskmat bags, and then it is also plastic wrapped within there. Okay, it's taped, so let's just grab some scissors here. Do this guy out. So, yep, it says Floppy P. It's got the P there. It is, like I said, a little shorter than your standard Deskmat. Let's see. It's going to be, yeah, so, like I said, it's about 5 centimeters short. You can't see that because that is off frame. I'm going to zoom out real quick. You guys can look at how bad my desk looks. But as you can see, you've got about 5 centimeters here of extra space. Let's zoom that back in. Let's take a look here at the Toxic one. Please don't judge me for my messy desk. I just don't find the time to clean it, and I tend to just keep piling more and more stuff up there. I would go so far as to guess that I'm not the only one out there with a messy desk. I think that shows a sign of someone that is working. If you've got time to keep your desk clean, then I don't think you're getting much done. So this is the Toxic colorway, I believe is what this is called. I really like this colorway, actually. It looks really good. Deskmat has a pretty standard feel, you know, nothing super outrageous. It's got that new Deskmat smell that you always smell. Let's take a look at these stickers here real quick. I believe these two are the same. Looks like we got one different one in here. Let's see what we got. So we've got a floppy sticker, we've got a floppy tiger, we've got this fake dollar. Excuse me, fake dollar. Thank you for supporting of our product. You're welcome there, Mr. Processor. Let's see, I imagine these are more of the same stickers we've already got, but let's just double check real quick. Anyways, yeah. So, the same, more of the same. So apparently if you get the floppy metallic tiger keyboard mat, you will get one of these tiger stickers. I wonder what sticker you get with the cat Deskmat. The cat Deskmats, I really like those, but I believe they were out of stock when I ordered mine. I really would have liked to have gotten the fat tiger, that's what it's called. It's just about a full-size mat, but it also has the cutouts like this one, to where it's not your standard this rectangle shape like most Deskmats you see are. And so here is that guy right there. Should have had a board ready to set on here. I do have a base for a Thera. So this is a 75%. As you can see, there's still plenty of space there on that 75%. You could probably fit a full-size board on these okay, but I imagine a 10KL or anything that size or smaller, it's going to fit without any problems. These are some really cool Deskmats. Really thankful to Theremin Goat for turning me on to these. I am looking forward to purchasing some more floppy processor stuff in the future. Hopefully this will flatten out pretty quickly. Looks cool. Oh, we've got the floppy processor tag here on the bottom. So 3 Deskmats, stickers, $123. A little pricey for 3 Deskmats, but you got to keep in mind it is shipping from Thailand. So, you know, that's not cheap for something to go that far around the world. Thanks so much for hanging out, guys, and checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will definitely be including links down below in the description to the Floppy Processor website, so you can go and take a look around, see if there's some Deskmats there you'd like. Thanks so much for hanging out, guys, and I hope to see you in some future content. Have a fantastic rest of your week. Goodbye.